to attention this whole topic, Gödel's second incompleteness theorem, its exceptions to it, and boundaries of its validity. And there are two, I would say, remarkable results which I'm going to talk about. The first result is sufficiently old by now, but not, I think, sufficiently well known. It's a theorem of Pudlock, so-called Pudlock's strengthening of Gödel's second incompleteness theorem. And this result contrasts very sharply with these recent counterexamples found by Dan Willard, and that will be the second thing I would like to speak about. But I will begin with some review of my personal collection of, let's say, little counterexamples, existing so-called counterexamples to Gödel's second incompleteness theorem. So, in fact, there are many. Well, I suppose that people here know roughly the formulation of Gödel's theorem. In the simplest formulation.